Hello YouTube world. I just wanted to go over going to my Goodwill and what I got today. I'm trying to fill out my flea market, so I kind of wanted some Christmas things, and this was overpriced. It was $9, but I figured I could sell it for 15 to 20. I just kind of want, you watch people go by your booth, and there's sometimes when you see some people that they kind of want what's in there, but they just go past it. So I really think there's some things you just got to catch their eye, and even if you don't sell it or whatever. But I've just noticed that because even I do that when I go to some places. You need some eye-catching stuff. And this was $2. Anything rooster goes pretty well. You can get it for next to nothing at Big Lots, but it's like, again, you buy it brand new at Big Lots for $4, but maybe you will pay me $6 in my antique booth because you don't know where to get it. This is a Corningware Pyrex, and it's like a casserole dish for the top, and it was $3. I've seen the dark ones, they're thinner, the casserole dishes, the Pyrex Corningware. And I know Commonwealth Picker always sells it out in Virginia in his flea markets. They go quick. And he sells them online and ships them. People still pay good money even with that much shipping. So I figured $3, I can put this in my flea market. In my flea market, it's Mike's Unique Antique and Flea Market. So what I've noticed is a lot of the Amish and Mennonites are coming in there, and they're buying up stuff like this that's really handy and still very usable. But $3, I figure 15, right? It's more Christmas stuff. This was $3. It was just a table placing, what do you call it, table setup place. It was snowmen making angels. I have a friend that might like snowmen, so I thought this was cool. It made me think of my friend that passed 4 years ago, Gloria. She would have loved this. It's got a little chip here, but it looks like a cookie plate or something you put nice serving dish at Christmas. And for $3, I thought it was kind of cool. Nice colors. Some more stockings. I've got a few of them, but I mean, everybody loves a dog, and a lot of people have a dog stocking. I do. And Frenchie Bulldog. I really love Frenchies. But they always have a skin condition. They have this smell that I can't really handle. I don't know if I can do that, but I love them. And my friend's a foster, and she only does Frenchies. And she's my lawn customer. I have a lawn business, and I have a power washing business that I've been doing for 7 years now. But I figure I'd give this to her for Christmas. It's only $1, so I know she'll love it. And anyway, here's mine. I can't ever sell that. It's just too cool. And then, of course, the records find me. I usually don't pay $1 for a record, but Chet Atkins, if you're a guitarist and you're not listening to Chet Atkins, you have to. And then I got these old, I just like the books themselves. They were $3, and each one has at least 8 or 10 or 12 actually. And one of my buddy, we always used to talk about the Scottish bagpipes and stuff, and there's one in here that's all like old school Scottish bagpipes. I can't wait to listen to it. Yeah, I can't even remember what exactly they were. Folk music. These are all British. I thought it was interesting, all made in London. And a lot of symphony stuff here, a lot of orchestra. So I like classical anyway too. And then this one, tried to break any. Where's that? Symphony. Maybe that was a Philharmonic Symphony. Czech Philharmonic Symphony, or Czech Symphony. I guess it was in the other one. 50 Greatest Piano Themes. Anyway. But these are a few things I picked up to put in my flea market, antique booth, and some of the smaller things that are light to ship that I know will go quick on eBay. Put it up on eBay because there's a few things that I get sold out of the country. Just sold some snakeskin shoes. But thanks for watching, everybody. My name's Anthony Long, Bluegrass Picker, and if you like my content, please subscribe below and hit the thumbs up button. Crush it. Grind on, friends. Goodbye from Bluegrass Pickers. Stay tuned.